How to fix camera not working in Windows 11. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to of course go here on our desktop. And then what we're going to do next is to go into our search bar and then search for settings. So just search for settings right there. And then once you open your settings, the next thing that we need to do is to click the Bluetooth and devices right there. And then scroll down until you see this cameras. Now, just click the cameras right there. And then what we're going to do is to first, of course, search for cameras. And then, of course, the Windows 11 will look for the cameras that is available for you to use. Now, as you can see right here, no cameras are found right there. So the next thing that we need to do if you encounter this problem is to just go here on the privacy and security. And then on the app permissions, just go here on the camera. Now what we're going to do here is to click this let apps access your camera and make sure that it is turned on right there. So if it is turned off, all you have to do is to turn that on and that might fix your problem. But if it is still not working, then the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the search bar and then search for device manager. And then of course, just open that right there. And then once you are now here, what we're going to do is to click the cameras right there. So click the drop down menu and then you will see your camera. Now what we're going to do is to right click on it, click properties, and then on the general, just click change settings right there. And then in this part, just click the driver and then click update driver. Once you click update driver right there, once it is finished, just restart your computer. And then once you open that, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it. That is how to fix camera not working in Windows 11.